Hello, this is question 5 on your November 2020 paper 1 from Edexcel. You have geometric and arithmetic sequence question. So you have a car that has 6 forward gears. The fastest speed of the car in first gear is 28 kilometers per hour, in sixth gear is 115. And they tell us that this is modeled as an arithmetic sequence, and we have to find the fastest speed in third gear. So what they are really giving us is A1 or A is 28, A6 is 115, and they are asking us about A3. Yeah? So it's quite simple question. We know that the formula for the arithmetic sequence is an is going to be the first term plus n minus 1d, which means a6 is going to be a, which is 28, plus n minus 1, which is 5, d. And from here we can find d. d is going to be 115 minus 28 divided by 5, which is 17.4. And that way we can find A3, because A3 is going to be A1 or A, which is 28, plus m minus 1, 2 times d, which is 17.4. Yeah, and this is 62.8 kilometers per hour. So if they give you units, answer with units. And then if instead of an arithmetic sequence is a geometric sequence, find the fastest speed in fifth gear. So now we have the same numbers, but it's going to be a geometric sequence. So A is still 28, and A6 is going to be 115, and they are asking us about a fifth. But now it's a geometric sequence. So when it's a geometric sequence, remember you have that an is going to be the first term multiplied by r n minus 1. So a6 in this case is going to be a, so the first term, multiplied by r to the power of 1 less, so r to the power of 5 squared, which means that we can find r, just doing this, 115 divided by 28, which means r is going to be the fifth root of 115 divided by 28. You get a lot of decimals here, so I just would keep this in the calculator. It's not a nice number. I would use this in the calculator. So a fifth, so the fifth term is going to be first term 28 times r, which is that number there, to the power of 4, 1 less. Yeah, and if you do this with a calculator, you get 86.69 something else, and round to 3 significant figures, because they don't say anything different, is that. Yeah, and this is all with this question. I think it looks more complicated for the wording than it is.